How we remember history determines history. Women did not play a marginal role in our national story. It is the marginal remembrance of women that marginalises us. There are over 800 books in the rare and early printed books special collection at Exeter Library. These books are sealed away in the basement, in a room known as the Cage. Women wrote just 8 of them. This story begins in the 18th century as I speak to the critic Elizabeth Montagu and the poet and translator Elizabeth Carter, and ends in the 20th century as I speak to writers and collectors Ethel Leaguer Weeks and Lady Rosalind Northcott. I am here to thank them for the world they created.